What up, everybody? I'm back doing another unboxing. Just got a box in the mail of what? Of what? Hammers. Before I get into it though, please like this video. I'm gonna wait while you like this video. Okay, thank you. Let's do it as usual. I'm gonna sort it and I'm gonna show you my favorites from the box.
Welcome to Vintage and Soft with True High Fits. Welcome to Vintage and welcome to Vintage and Soft with True High Fits. Welcome to Vintage and welcome to Vintage and Soft. True High Fits. Welcome to Vintage and welcome to Vintage and Soft.
Okay, I picked out my favorites. Let's see what I got here, okay? Pretty good stuff today, not gonna lie. First up, Aerosmith. Man, this light's bright. Aerosmith, Pump, Rock'em XL. Got two of these. Bulls, Salem, size large. Dead stock, I think. 91 NBA World Champion tees. Super sicker hammer. Let me check. Oh yeah, so no, different ones. Oh, I got two different ones. And then this one. This is the 91-92 big head on Tennessee River XL. There's a couple good Bulls tees in here. Okay, how about this? The Adventures of Rocky and Bullwinkle mullet tee. Fruit of the Loom XL. Basically dead stock. Stone Temple Pilots 96, 97 on a weird tag. Good one. I love these ones. Treasure Troll. This is a weird one because I usually see these on white tees with like more bright colors, but this one has some sick colors. Troll dude. What tag we got? Stein Wertlerzer. You ever seen that tag? Stein Wertlerzer, size XL. Okay, we have a Chicago Bulls chalk line AOP. Big hoop graphic. Side hit. This is, I don't know what size, probably like a large. Okay, this is a good one. Couples, St. Lucia. Graphic is really faded. But you guys get the idea, right? You get the idea what that is. This is where you go to rekindle your love, maybe, with your partner. Couples, St. Lucia. Good. Classic Stones. Had this same tie-dye tee a bunch in the last year. Really dope one. Fruit of the Loom XL. What year? 94. Okay, this is kind of a rare one. Never seen it. It says AIDS is everywhere. Make magic happen. I said I was going to beat this disease and I will. Magic Johnson. XL. Pokemon. Good size Pokemon. This is an XL Pokemon. Get a lot of these, but they're always super small. This one, it's like a faded printed tag, so it's not super old. Still though, rare, good size. Another Bulls Jordan on a Salem large. For the anime heads, again, you don't see these on big sizes. Cowboy Bebop XL. Something for the Nike heads. Shout out, got it for cheap for doing all Nike. All Nike Live. Blue Tag 80s. This logo is just classic. I love this logo. Super thinned out. For my T-Dot people. Killer graphic. Cotton Best. XL or 2XL. Grateful Dead. On a liquid blue. Super big rip. Oh well. Can't win them all, right? Can't win them all. This one I'm probably going to be keeping because I'm a fan. Jane's T. Sick Jane's Addiction. Triple X Records. This is on a XL Screen Stars. Super thinned out. OG Jane's. Love Jane's. Bing Cat Steel in. Lollapalooza. The Killer lineup. Chili's, Ministry, Ice Cube, Soundgarden, Jesus and the Mary Chain, Pearl Jam. Hanes, 100% Cotton. One of my faves. This one I just thought was really weird. This is like some kind of convention. It says Seaboard Spring Convention 2004. And it's like a Harry Potter bootleg. Not sure what that's all about, but I liked it. Okay. Something has survived. The Lost World, Jurassic Park. Burger King hit. On a Taltex XL. This isn't that crazy, but it's just a good old Ben & Jerry's on Anvil Red Bar XL. Why not? It's the best ice cream in the world. Prove me wrong in the comments. Let's go. Prove me wrong. Ben & Jerry's. Best ice cream in the world. Okay, we have Tuxedo. Jackie Chan. Tuxedo. DreamWorks Pictures. XL. Dope movie tee. Last but not least, for today's haul, Kimba. The White Lion, 1995. Lee tag. I love the Lee tag. Single stitch. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Please go subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Go listen to the podcast. Tell me what you think. Follow me on Instagram, Drew Heifetz, and I will see you on the next one.